Good morning everyone. Myself Aisha Siddiqui. Welcome you in the class 3rd. Today we will learn English lesson number 1, that is Ali and the inner keeper. Before that you have to take out your pencil and open the page number 5. On the very left side of upper side you have to write date. Here you have to write date and write CW. CW means what? Class work. Okay. Now put your finger there. Ali. Lesson number 1. Ali and the innkeeper. Now see the spelling of innkeeper. I-double-N in, K-E-P-P-E-R, keeper. Innkeeper. So what is the meaning of inn? Inn means hotel. Inn means hotel and keeper means the person who take care of his hotel, or we can say that owner of the hotel. So it is very interesting story you will learn today. Now you have to see that in the first picture that Ali on a very cold, it was a cold winter day. As always, Ali was dreaming of a hot meal. On a cold winter day, Ali was dreaming of a hot meal. Ali was a poor man and he was dreaming for a hot meal. Like us, in the winter season, in the cold winter season, we also want a hot meal. We ask our mother also to make a hot meal for us. If chapati is not hot, we will ask mummy, please hot that chapati. How can we, mummy, at that time only mummy prepared the hot chapati and serve you. Same, Ali was a poor man and he also dreaming to have a hot meal. You can see that in the first picture that here one of the person he is telling here, please take this. And a man offered Ali a loaf of bread. As Ali was a poor man and he was dreaming for a hot meal, a kind person came to him and he offered him a loaf of bread. What is the meaning of loaf? Loaf means a block of bread after baking we get. Means it is a block of bread. Without you, we are having a bread packet. See, in that packet slices are there, but loaf of bread means that we haven't do the cutting of that. Means block of bread only, or we can say it in a simple language, naan. When we go to the bread shop, or there we will see that we will ask them for naan, so they will give us naan, that is a loaf of bread. Ali, a loaf of after thanking the man for bread, Ali thought to himself that a bowl of soup would be perfect to make it a full meal. See, here Ali thought to himself, if only I have a bowl of soup, then I would have a full meal. Ali went to the nearest inn and the innkeeper was rude. Now he walked to the nearest inn to ask for a bowl of soup, because that person has offered him only a loaf of bread, but he wanted a soup for that. So he walked to the nearby inn to ask for some soup, but the innkeeper was very rude. You can see in these pictures how he is telling to the Ali, shh, no beggars, move along quickly. Means he should means what? He induced to leave him. Go there. When the beggar will come, to we say, go there, don't come here. We have given. Like this only we will tell to that person. When Ali went to the nearest inn and he asked for a bowl of soup, so that person has shook him. No beggars. He is calling Ali a beggar. Ali was really hungry and wanted some food. He was really hungry. Ali's stomach growled with hunger. Like us, growled means from inner side we are when we rumbling sound of, we can say the rumbling sound of a stomach due to hunger. When we are so much hungry, at that times our stomach has a sound, and that is called a growl sound. He was very hungry. Ali had an idea. If he held the bread over the steam, the bread would soak up the flavor of the soup. Now here's use and that. The Ali himself are telling to that, I will hold the loaf over the steam. Maybe the flavor of this delicious soup will soak into the bread. Means Ali had an idea. He is telling, if he held the bread over the steam, the bread would be soaked. Soak means what? Absorb the flavor. Flavor means taste. Absorb the taste over the soup. The innkeeper saw that. You can see the picture on page number 6. The innkeeper howled in hunger. Howl means he shouted loudly in anger. When what happened? If we do any mischievousness, our mother is hold, hey, what are you doing? Like the raising the voice. The same, the innkeeper, he was loudly taking out the sound with anger. You soup stealer. What he is telling? You soup stealer. Means actually Ali has not steal any soup from him. But what he was doing? He kept his loaf of bread over the steam of a soup. So that innkeeper called him the soup stealer. Sir, Ali said, Sir, I am no thief. I was only trying to capture. Capture means to get the flavor from the steam. He explained. He wanted to cool that innkeeper. He politely said to the innkeeper that, Sir, I am not a thief. I am only trying to capture, to get the flavor from the steam. The cunning innkeeper suddenly had an idea. Now see, before that I told that innkeeper was very rude and he was cunning. If we ask them the idea about the innkeeper, he was a very rude and cunning man. Cunning means what? Clever and dishonest. He was clever but dishonest. He was not honest. So he has an idea. He said to Ali, you need to pay for the smell of my soup. He asked Ali that you have to pay. You need to pay for the smell of my soup. But Ali, the poor person, had no money. He requested him, but sir, I have no money to pay. Angered by Ali's reply, the innkeeper dragged him to court. Underline the word drag. Drag means what? To pull. Drag means what? To pull. So angered by Ali's reply, the innkeeper dragged him to the court. Ali politely asked that innkeeper, Sir, I don't have any money to pay you. But that innkeeper was a rude and the cunning man. He dragged him to the court of the Nasruddin Hodja, was the judge there, and he listened patiently to the innkeeper's complaint. So that innkeeper dragged the Ali to the court of a Nasruddin Hodja. Who was the judge there? Nasruddin Hodja. And he listened patiently. You can see in this picture how carefully he is listening the complaint of the innkeeper. He listened patiently. Underline the word patiently. We can say here that silently or carefully he listened all the complaint whatever the innkeeper is telling to him. Hodja asked, are you demanding payment for the smell of your soup? He asked to the innkeeper, are you demanding payment for the smell of a soup? This is a questions before him, that how cunning, it shows that the innkeeper was very cunning man, because he is asking money for a smell only, and that Nasruddin Hodja was a good judge. He was very clever judge. So he is asking this question, are you demanding payment for the smell of your soup? The innkeeper said, yes sir, I want payment for the smell. See the page number 7. Nasruddin Hoja took out a bag of coins and gave it a good shake. Okay, so after that Nasruddin Hoja took out the bag of a coin. You know the bag of a coin. Here our mummy is having a purse, but a big bag of a sack. In movie also, or we are also having a bag where mummy keep the money. So like this, in this picture you can see there the bag of how it is there. So he asked him, he called that Hoja called his servant and asked him to bring the bag of a coin, and he started to shake the bag. Everyone could hear the clinking of the coins. What clinking? Clinking is the sound of the coin. Underline the word clinking. CLINKING, clinking of the coin. And Hoja told, all right, here is your payment. The sound of this coin is exchanged for the smell of your soup. Now the court is dismissed. Means see how clever the judge was. How he has given his statement that innkeeper, you wanted payment for the smelling. Now exchange of this, I will just clinking the coin. You have heard, so you got your payment. Everybody from the court, they are very happy to listen the judgment of the Nasruddin Hoja. And now the court is dismissed. Hope you all understood this lesson. But before that, I will ask you some question also. It will be easy for you. Who was Ali? Ali was a poor man. What did he want? He wanted some soup to have with his bread. How was innkeeper? If an idea can ask you, any type of question can be asked about the innkeeper, so you can write, he was rude and cunning. Means he was rude, and cunning means what? Already I told that cunning means clever and dishonest. Why did innkeeper demanded payment? Why he has demanded for the payment? Innkeeper demanded payment because Ali had smelled his soup. Already you have seen that how Ali has smelled his soup. And who was judge? Nasruddin Hoja was a judge. He was a clever judge. Thank you very much. We will see you in the next class.